Hi friends, welcome to Laxmiles 31. I'm Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about ASCII function in Tableau. Let's get started. ASCII function is used to get the ASCII code for the first character of the string in Tableau. The example is like ASCII of a character equal to the ASCII code. So this is the syntax and the example is like whatever character you pass within the ASCII function, let's assume here we have used ASCII of A. Then it will return the ASCII code of that particular letter A, which is nothing but 65. Let me open Tableau application and show you how ASCII function is used in Tableau. I have opened Tableau desktop application and I am using sample superstore data. Now I'm bringing customer name field to row shelf and there's a drop down on the top below sample store data source. I'm clicking on that and I'm clicking on create calculator field. Now I am using ASCII directly. So this is one way of bringing the ASCII function directly, and there's one more method which is nothing but I clicked on all functions which are available and there's a string functions available. I mean that option is readily available. As soon as we click on string functions, we will be able to see the list of string functions available. From there, we'll be able to select ASCII. So as soon as we click on ASCII, we'll be able to see the ASCII syntax and what it does and an example as well. So now let's get back to the ASCII function and build something. So now I'm going to use customer name field over here. In the ASCII function. So as soon as we place a character inside ASCII function, it will return the code to us. So let me rename this calculation and name it as ASCII test. Let me click on OK. So now this is a measure. So instead of in Tableau, as soon as we bring measure to the text, what happens is it performs an aggregation operation, so we won't be able to see the exact ASCII code. So to avoid that, what we need to do is, let me change this to dimension and put it back to row shelf and change it to discrete. This way also we'll be able to display, and directly also we can place it in the text chart after changing it to dimension. So here, if you observe, the first letter is A. That's why the ASCII code is 65. Let me go down. Here, for all the names available in the customer name, which starts with B, the ASCII code is 66. So ASCII function considers only the first letter and it will return the ASCII code for that letter alone. So let's go back to next. Here we have the customer names which starts with C. That's why the ASCII code has been changed. The same way it differs for different letters. Here it starts with D and the ASCII code is 68. Likewise, whichever letter is passed to the ASCII function, it will return the code related to that. And when we are passing the customer names or any fields or any dimension within the ASCII function, it will only consider the first letter of that dimension or the string. Then it will return the ASCII code related to the first letter of the dimension or the string passed to the ASCII function. This is how you can use ASCII function in Tableau.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.